Bea Alonzo, may inamin tungkol sa kanila ni Dennis Trillo. Ang Cinema 2 ng SM Megamall ang venue ng Grand Press Conference ng Love Before Sunrise, na naganap nitong Sabado ng hapon, September 16, 2023. Sina Dennis Trillo at Bea Alonzo, ang mga bida sa romantic drama series ng GMA7 na mapapanood simula sa September 25, 2023. Dumalo sa media conference ng Love Before Sunrise ang ilan sa mga co-star nina Dennis at Bea Alonzo. Pare-pareho silang nagpapasalamat dahil naging parte sila ng bagong programa na magkatulong na binuo ng Vio at ng Kapuso Network. Pamilyar ang naging pakiramdam ni Bea Alonzo sa pagtatambal nila ni Dennis sa isang proyekto makalipas ang 20 taon. For me it feels familiar, but at the same time, it feels all new, so it's a different feeling. But I love this feeling because there's this level of trust, kasi pareho kaming nilaunch sa Star Circle. So somehow, I feel na I can trust him, and I feel na kahit na magkalayo kami ng matagal na panahon, naging fan niya ako from the sidelines. I would always cheer for him, I would always root for him, in his different projects. And I've seen him grow as an actor, so I just feel lucky and honored working with him on this one, pahayag ni Bea. Inamin niyang nakaramdam siya ng pagkailang, sa unang araw ng taping nila ni Dennis para sa Love Before Sunrise. Ayon kay Bea Alonzo, first day sa set namin, sa totoo, may ilangan. Ako medyo naiilang kasi we had to do scenes na dapat kami na. Nasa relationship na kami. So parang, at first, mahirap kasi kailangan ninyo munang makilala ulit yung isa't isa. But then, we're professional actors so we got over that easily. We had to make the scene work. But I just feel na nakakatulong din yun, kasi nga may sense of him being familiar to me. Yung pain niya, yung hawak niya somehow I feel familiar. So kahit papaano, I guess, yung mystery kasi I think he's very mysterious. Nakakatulong yun in terms of quote-unquote falling in love stage naming dalawa, but I can only speak for myself. That's what I've experienced.